Ngiyakwamukela ku IsiZulu lesson. I wish to welcome you to IsiZulu lessons. Should you have any questions regarding this lesson, you may send your question via an email to tutoring@bonibooks.co.za. We will gladly come back to you and assist you in whatever way we can. Your lesson today is brought to you by Utisha F. Namhlanje ke isihloko sethu, our topic for today is Ukunciphisa amabizo, which is your diminutives. So we are doing diminutives today. Sizofundani ke namhlanje? Sizofundani, what are we going to learn? Kulesi sifundo sizofunda lokhu ukuthi kuyini ukunciphisa. And uzokwazi ukunciphisa amabizo, uzokwazi ukusebenzisa izinciphiso emshweni. So at the end of this lesson, I'm hoping you'll be knowing what the diminutives are and how to form the diminutive IsiZulu, and you will be able to use them in a sentence. Kuyini ke ukunciphisa? Okay, in this slide, I just want to bring to your attention ukuthi uma sinciphisa, when we do ama diminutives, we only dealing with nouns. Okay, we only look at nouns, and the nouns here that I have these pictures that I brought for you. I have ibuku, and when the book is small, sithi ibukwana. And we have lana, we have ifriji, but if the fridge is small, sithi ifrijana, ifrijana. So we have imfoloko, imfoloko, imfoloko. Okay, but if the imfoloko is small, we say imfolokwana. Okay, these are the nouns that engiwasebenzisile now, but these are not the only nouns that we are going to be dealing with. Kuyini ke ukunciphisa? Okay, how is it formed? Okay, I guess sibukeke manje these nouns I have here that I want us to start off by looking at. Okay, nanti ibizo lethu ibhuku. Okay, I want to draw your attention to the last vowel of the noun, which is in red, ibhuku, and when it's small, ibukwana. We say ibukwana when it's small. And the next noun that we have, ifriji. I want you to look at the last vowel of this noun, ifriji, but when it's small, we say ifrijana. And we look at the next one, imfoloko and imfolokwana. Okay, I want you to look at these last vowels and what they become when they are diminutives. But we shall look at that in detail as we go along. Here I just wanted to give you a picture so that you can see what we are doing. Okay, let's see how these diminutives are formed. Remember, I have said when we do our diminutives, we're dealing with ibizo. We're looking at ibizo, we're looking at the noun, and we look at the last vowel of the noun. So if you remember that, then you will win. But you must remember that in every language, we will have exceptions. Even here, we are going to have exceptions, but I'll try by all means to alert you of the exceptions. Okay. Let's look at now this ibizo now. Let's look at when, because we said we're concentrating on the noun. A noun is ibizo. So let's look at if ibizo ligcina ngo a. So if the last vowel of the noun is a, so sijobelela. Jobelela means to suffix. We jobelela ana. Look at my example here, ukudla, and we say ukudlana. Look at this noun, ukudla. this noun, the last vowel of this noun is A, but then when we make it small, we are going to say ukudlana. Let's look at the sentence. Ngizothenga ukudla kusasa. Ngizothenga ukudlana kusasa. Okay, this vowel takes an ana when it's a diminutive. So this is the rule I'm saying. Uma ibizo ligcina ngo a with suffix ana. Okay, let's go on. And again, we are looking at these nouns. So if the noun now end with the vowel I, what do? We suffix ana. So we're saying we're looking at the vowels, the last vowels of the nouns. Ushizi, we are going to say ushizana. Okay. Look at this noun. The last vowel here is I, and your suffix will be ana. So umfana wake ucela ushizana. Ushizana. Okay. Small cheese. So let's look at another sentence that I have here for you. Nanko omunye umusho, udinga ubisi ngoba uyabhaka. Udinga ubisi ngoba uyabhaka. So this is my noun here, ubisi. Okay, so ngidinga ubisana, you need a little bit of milk. Ubisana ngoba uyabhala. So this is what I've said here. When your noun, when the last vowel of your noun is an I, then you suffix ana. So this is the second rule that I've given you. So we have looked at the nouns that end in the vowel A and the nouns that end in the vowel I, and we have said kuona sijobelela, we suffix ana to all of them. Okay. Let's move on now to our kind of an assessment, so that you can see if you did understand what I was trying to explain today. So what you are going to do, I want you ufundele misho. I want you to look at these sentences, bega the underlined word, which is your noun obviously. Okay, and then you are going to make a diminutive. So let's look. Ngicela ungithengele ufulawa. Okay, what is the last vowel of this noun? Your A. What was the rule? Think about the rule. What did you say? Kusasa ngizothenga ikofi. Okay, this is my last vowel here, ikofi. What are we going to suffix here? Ngifuna ukugeza izitsha. Izitsha ebusuku. Ja. What's the last vowel? It's an A. What are we going to suffix? Usinki wake mubi. Usinki. What's the last vowel? I. Banginike isinkwa esincane. The last vowel is an A here. Ngicela ungiphe usawuti. Sawuti. T. Last vowel is an I. Inja yakhe. A. Ngithanda ukufaka ubisi. Ubisi etiyeni. Ugwayi wakhe uphelile. Unesi wakhe ulele ngoba ukhathele. I want you to take your time, look at all these nouns, see what they end with. Remember the rule. Have the rule in your mind and then apply the rule, and then you'll get the correct answers. Okay, just give yourself time, sit down, do it. And once you're done, then you can move to the next slide. The next slide has answers for you. So I want you to go back to what you have done as your exercise. How did you go? Did you get this correct? If you did not, please go back to your rule and make sure you get it right. Ngiyathemba ukuthi isifundo sizwakele kahle, konke kuhambe kahle. Ngiyabonga.